Deep within the emerald embrace of rainforests, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and life, a spectacle of nature unfolds in the most mesmerizing way. These are the Cendrawasih birds, also known as birds of paradise, whose presence adds a touch of magic to the forest. Renowned for their breathtaking beauty, they captivate all who witness their splendor. Their existence is a testament to the wonders of evolution, showcasing nature's creativity and diversity. A vibrant celebration of life in its most extravagant form, these birds are a marvel to behold. These avian jewels are not merely beautiful creatures, they are integral to the rainforest's health. They are key players in the rainforest ecosystem, contributing in ways that are vital for its survival. Their role in seed dispersal helps maintain the delicate balance of this rich habitat, ensuring its continued vitality. Understanding their survival is crucial to appreciating the intricate web of life on our planet and the importance of preserving these natural wonders. Cendrawasih birds are a riot of color and extravagance. Their plumage is a masterpiece of nature's artistry, a vibrant tapestry of iridescent hues. Some sport fiery oranges and radiant reds, while others shimmer with emerald greens and sapphire blues. Long flowing feathers extend like ethereal ribbons, adding to their otherworldly appearance. Each species boasts its own unique combination of colors and feather structures, making them a sight to behold. The island of New Guinea and its surrounding islands are the primary stage for the Cendrawasih birds' breathtaking performance. These ancient rainforests provide the perfect backdrop for their vibrant displays. Towering trees draped in lush vines create a world of dappled sunlight and hidden nooks. The humid air hums with the sounds of life, a symphony of buzzing insects and chirping birds, a testament to the rainforest's rich biodiversity. Section 4. Dance of Survival, Courtship and Sustenance. Survival in the rainforest requires a unique set of skills. For the male Cendrawasih bird, attracting a mate is a mesmerizing dance. They clear a stage on the forest floor, meticulously removing leaves and debris. With their vibrant plumage on full display, they perform intricate dances, their movements as captivating as their appearance. Their calls echo through the trees, a siren song in the heart of the rainforest. This dance is not just about beauty, it's about survival, about ensuring the continuation of their lineage. Section 5. Threats on the horizon, a fight for existence. The Cendrawasih birds, known for their breathtaking beauty and vibrant plumage, are facing a dire battle for survival. Despite their splendor, these birds face an uncertain future. Their existence is threatened by multiple human activities and environmental changes. Habitat loss due to deforestation is a pressing concern, shrinking their rainforest home at an alarming rate. The relentless logging activities are carving away their sanctuary. The illegal pet trade also poses a significant threat, with poachers capturing these magnificent creatures for their feathers. These birds are often sold in black markets, far from their natural habitat. Climate change adds another layer of complexity, disrupting the delicate balance of the rainforest ecosystem. Unpredictable weather patterns and extreme conditions further endanger their survival. These threats underscore the urgent need for conservation efforts. Dedicated teams are working tirelessly to restore habitats and protect these birds from extinction. Protecting the Cendrawasih birds is not just about preserving their beauty, it's about safeguarding the biodiversity of our planet. Every effort counts in maintaining the intricate web of life in our rainforests. Section 6. Guardians of Paradise. The fate of these magnificent birds lies in our hands. These creatures, known for their vibrant colors and unique behaviors, depend on us for their future. Understanding their plight is the first step towards ensuring their survival. Supporting sustainable practices such as responsible forestry and eco-friendly tourism, raising awareness about the illegal wildlife trade which threatens their existence, and advocating for rainforest conservation are crucial actions. Every small effort counts in preserving their habitat. The Cendrawasih birds, with their dazzling plumage and captivating dances, are not just birds, they are symbols of the rainforest's vitality. They are a reminder of the beauty and fragility of nature, urging us to act before it's too late. Their story is a call to action, a plea for humanity to step up and make a difference. Urging us to protect these jewels of the rainforest, to cherish and safeguard their existence, and ensure that their breathtaking spectacle continues to grace our planet for generations to come. Let us be the guardians of their paradise.